literally got to the point now where we can see over the clouds. If I'd slipped off, it'd take a while to hit bottom, wouldn't it? This is a Col de la Machine. It's a new day, Mediterranean. Absolutely fantastic. Jamais pour Pooley on the Deauville. You got this massive body of water that is Lake Geneva. We're in a different country. We've just gone international, haven't we? I'm crying. It's an alright view, innit? I don't mean the concrete barriers. It's just a bit, oh, we're a bit broken. No, mountains and stuff. That's what I'm on about. Yeah, you'll get a good view here. Flipping out, look at that. We've got a little flipping bridge. Fantastic. Oh, we ought to have stopped in that lay-by there. Car coming towards us. Is it gonna... Good God. I'm not gonna say thank you to you. Get me a right scare then. Want a quick picky?
Can I do the float again?
Oh, ah. Absolutely fantastic this, isn't it? Layers and layers of mountains. 10 out of 10. So yeah, as I was saying, I just stopped for a quick picky, that was all. As I was saying, I think we're about at the bottom of Col de la Bonette. That's, oh good God, that's Bonette as in the hat, the summer hat that ladies wear. Might be French actually, the bonnet. I don't know if it's actually named after the hat, I'm just saying it sounds like the hat. Yeah, Col de la Bonette, almost at the bottom. It's warmed up considerably. It's lovely. Still got the throw on. Nice and toasty. Cosy. But yeah, it's lovely. Look at this. All sorts of different sort of environments going through these cols. A col, here we go, fun fact, a bit of language training here. A col is basically a pass. There you go. I think I mentioned it, I couldn't remember how to pronounce it, but it's col. Like Col de la flipping Pooley. That's a Pooley pass, that. I'm gonna have to get past this bloody van again now. Got past it, took a picture, and now it's got in front again. Have it! Not sure if the fat Jap will fit through that. Quite a bit of debris sprawled over the road. Ooh, bit twitchy on front end. Look at the size of these. When you're at bottom, well, almost the bottom, as the bottom as it's going to get. They're flipping out tall, aren't they? Here he comes. Oh, look at this. Absolutely lovely. Fantastic. Altitude 1,480 meters. There you go, that sign said. If you was wondering, which is still quite high, I think. I don't really work in meters, not for stuff on road at least. Get me in feet, I'll be alright. There's a little bridge. Fantastic.
So, how long do you want to travel now? We've still got quite a way to go.
An hour or something then?
An hour? Find someone about
Do you
an
reckon
hour.
that's about an hour? About an hour? Okay. Yeah, I'm quite comfy doing it, yeah.
Fantastic. This is good, isn't it? We're in a gorge, or gorge. I don't know how you pronounce it in French. I don't know what it's called either. So if you were wondering, sorry, I'll have to flash it up on screen or something. A lot of that's going to be happening, I think. Although I think this is River Tinée. River Tinée. Tinée. It's spelt Tinée, at least. I'm pretty sure it is as well. That much, I'm sure of. But yeah, it's fab road going through this gorge. Gave it some, gave the old DeVille some stick earlier. Stopped for a photo to let the others ahead. Then it comes down with GTR behind me. Blue cobwebs out, that's for sure. Look at this. This is fab, this is. Absolutely fabulous. Wicked. Ooh. It's a nice cool breeze, that. I don't know if you're able to hear me, it's a bit noisy in tunnels. It's like an arrow straight tunnel, this. Very weird. It's probably the longest tunnel I've ever been through. Absolutely fantastic. Here we are, light at the end of the tunnel. A wild Honda DeVille emerges. Here we are. Boom. Look at that view. Absolutely fantastic. Here we are, going through another. I suppose the road were a bit too difficult to... Actually, there's a rail line going through gorge. We're just cutting through bloody mountains here. It's flipping mint. I ain't got allowed enough exhaust to make it like extra special. Doesn't sound bad though, the old motard. I put the motard on for because apparently there's some like quiet areas. You have to be quiet. They don't want you to be loud. And this is E-stamped, so if they stop me and say it's still too loud, then they can let do one. Yeah, they can basically do one. It's fantastic. This is, look, we're going towards Nice, Mediterranean coast. Fantastic. It's getting quite hot, tell you that.